Hello, welcome back. Let's look at the Matic chart then, shall we, for what it's worth. So we're really suffering, actually finding a new low just recently, just putting in a new low at 117 satoshis, which is a bit of a downtrend for Matic, kind of suffering in this whole Bitcoin showdown. With the Bitcoin dominance right now at 65 or almost 65%, it looks like this will probably continue unless something magical happens for Matic. So we are on the daily chart here looking at the Bitcoin pairing, and all we see now is a continuation of our previous trend in which we did break out but we could not hold any further. This support at 120 satoshis now being tested and probably going to be broken. So where will the next step be from there? Probably looking down to around 90 satoshis actually. 90 satoshis being a next reasonable support level. We'll put a nice little yellow one in for us here, move that up a bit. So yeah, 90 satoshis could be on the cards for this guy, but we will see. It may find a bounce before then. This would generally be an expected area to bounce on, but Bitcoin is making moves right now, and it will be making moves for the next few days. And when Bitcoin makes moves, Satoshis fall, and Matic will fall with it. So we can have a look at the tether pairing to see if that's doing anything other than a downward slope. And unfortunately, it's not. Again, making new lows, brand new lows for this coin. In a kind of no man's land at the moment. This chart is definitely correcting over a much longer period than a lot of people would like to expect. But then at the same time, let's put it into perspective. Where did we start? Right down here, at the beginning of May, at 0.003 of a cent. Okay, so realistically, we're still pretty good with this coin. Let's put it into perspective. This has and still is a big gainer. What we're doing now is we're correcting. We are consolidating, and it is certainly bearish. But we're talking bearish on this short term now. There will be a turnaround at some point, but again, Bitcoin dominance is now standing at a pretty good high of 65% or thereabouts, and when that is the situation, this will be a continuation of that kind of situation. So unfortunately for Matic and for all the other alts generally speaking, this is what charts will continue to look like until further notice. Anyway, I will leave it there. I hope you have a nice day, and thanks for the people who keep donating to me. Really appreciate that actually. I don't know if I've told you many times, but I do have another baby on the way, so that baby will certainly be treated to some brand new nappies when it emerges. Thanks a lot. Take it easy. Have a good one.